Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you 6 different chess tactics for intermediate players. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, we can go to the tactic 1. Okay, everyone, this is tactic 1. First move is white n. In four moves, white wins by checkmate. Let's go to the move. Okay. First move is rook cross e6. Okay. Now if knight take the rook, that's it. In some moves, white won by checkmate. Okay. Now queen go to d3. Now you can see this queen attacked this knight. Okay. That's why this knight go to b4, black knight go to b4, then beautiful check with knight f6 and white knight go to f6 and beautiful check, then king go to h8, then beautiful checkmate with white queen, queen go to h4, h7 and beautiful checkmate. Now go back, another idea I am going to give you. Okay. First move is white n. Rook cross a6. Then knight cross a6. If king move like this, king go to g8. Then queen cross a6. That's it. This particular pattern, white has so many pieces. That's why this game, white win easily this game. Okay. Let's go to the tactic 2. Chess friends and chess lovers, this is tactics 2. First move is white n. In 2 moves, white wins by checkmate. Okay, let's start with a new moves. Okay, move. First move is knight go to f6 and beautiful check. Discovered check. If king go to h8, that's it. One move, checkmate. Queen go to h7 and beautiful checkmate. Now go back now. First move is white n. Now knight go to g5 like this. Okay. If king need to move, king go to g8, then beautiful checkmate with queen h7, h7 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is tactic 2. We can go to the tactic 3. Chess friends and chess lovers, this is tactic 3. First move is white n. White wins by checkmate in 5 moves only. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is queen cross d6. White queen take the rook. Then rook cross d8. Then rook cross white rook at the black rook and check. Then bishop take the rook. Then beautiful rook go to rook cross f7. Okay. If king queen go to e8. Okay. King go to e8. That's it. In 1 move, 2 moves. Okay. 2 moves, white wins by checkmate. Now rook go to e7 and check. Discovered check. Now you can see now there is a bishop check here. At the same time, this rook attack the queen. Okay. Now king go to h8, then wrap the queen and checkmate. That's it. This is tactic 3. Okay. Let's go to the tactic 4. Hello everyone. This is tactic 4. First move is white n. In 4 moves, white wins by checkmate. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is white queen take the pawn, then king take the queen, then rook go to h3 and beautiful check. Now king need to move, king go to g7, then bishop h6 and beautiful check here. Now king in e2 moves, king go to h7. That's it. In one moves, beautiful checkmate. Bishop go to f8. That's it. Now beautiful checkmate made by the white pieces. Okay. Let's go to the chapter 5. Hello everyone. This is tactic 5. First move is white end. In two moves, white wrap the queen, black queen, and won the game. White. Okay. Let's go to the moves. First move is knight go to c6 and beautiful check, discovered check. Then black the check with bishop e6. Then wrap the queen. That's it. That's why this game white easily won. We can go back now. First move is white hand. Knight c6 and beautiful check. If black with this bishop e7, you can see bishop come to e7. Then wrap the queen. That's it. Okay. That's why this game white win easily. Okay. We can go to the chapter 6. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is tactic 6. First move is white end. In 4 moves, white wins. Okay, we can go to the moves. First move is bishop cross g7 and discovered check. Then queen black the check with queen. Then queen go to h5. Then another move of bishop take the bishop. Then rook come to here. Okay, now cut the rook by the queen. Then rook take the rook and check. If move like this, then there is a check. Okay, now king move like this, then wrap the bishop. Okay, that's why easily won the game white. Okay, go back now. I'm going to explain another particular position in chapter tactics 6. Okay, first move is white end. Bishop cross g7 and check. Then second move of queen cross e6 and check. Then f cross e6. Then bishop cross h8. Totally this game white win. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.